Blessings. And I say give thanks to the earth, give thanks to the level of consciousness it unlocked within I. Emperor King Selassie, Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari. Aye, aye.
You see the meds?
Marijuana vibe, feeling the feeling right. Marijuana day and night, 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 yeah. They say that it's against the law, and I smoke it like cigar, yeah. Every minute of the hour, 'cause it's good for my mind power. Marijuana, marijuana in my head. Marijuana, marijuana in my head. Yeah, where I come from, they call it weed, and I smoke up to the very seed, yeah, yeah. I don't care what they wanna say, 'cause I smoke marijuana night and day. Marijuana, marijuana in my head. Marijuana, marijuana in my head. What most have to say is that it makes you mad, but it's the best thing I ever had. Whenever I roll up a blunt, I'm in the mood. Yeah, marijuana is my brain food. Marijuana, marijuana in my head. Marijuana, marijuana in my head. Marijuana vibe all night, yeah. Marijuana vibe all night, yeah. Feeling so high all night, yeah, yeah. Feeling the vibe, feeling so high, yeah, yeah. Marijuana, marijuana in my head. Marijuana, marijuana in my head. I know, yeah, yeah. Don't need to rush, take it slow.